how to log into HostGator cPanel. HostGator cPanel login tutorial. Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid Blog, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you two different ways to log into the HostGator cPanel. The first way I'll be going over is one of the most common ways, and the second way is good if you're having trouble logging in, encountering a problem getting into your HostGator cPanel, or can't find the HostGator welcome email. Make sure you subscribe to our channel as we are always posting new hosting tutorial videos. Let's get started in the HostGator cPanel login tutorial. The first and most common way to log into the HostGator cPanel is to find the welcome email from HostGator when you first purchase their hosting, and it'll have a link that you can click that will take you to the HostGator cPanel login page as shown here. The email will also provide you with the login credentials to use on this page. Just input the credentials from the welcome email and you'll be in the HostGator cPanel. I recommend you bookmark this login page to your cPanel so you can easily access it in the future. Now let's go over the second way to log into HostGator cPanel. This is a popular way if you can't locate the HostGator welcome email with the cPanel details, having trouble logging in, or any other problem that you might be facing in getting into your HostGator cPanel. Let's start by logging into the HostGator customer portal. To do this, open up a web browser and up at the top in the search field, type in portal.hostgator.com. Once you do that, you'll be on the HostGator customer portal login page. I also recommend you bookmark this login page so you can easily access this page at a later date. Go ahead and put it in the email that you use for your HostGator account when signing up. Once you do that, click on the next button. Now, you want to input the password that HostGator sent to you or the password you created if you changed it. Once you do that, click on the login button. If for some reason you don't know your password or it won't let you log in, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Input your email address used with your HostGator account and click on the Request Reset button. HostGator will now email you the instructions to reset your password so you can continue in logging in to access the HostGator cPanel for your account. Once logged in, you'll be in the HostGator customer portal. You'll see the yellow Launch cPanel button over to the right. Click this. You'll now be in the HostGator cPanel for your account. That is my how to log into HostGator cPanel tutorial video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorial videos. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.